Hi, welcome you all for Knowledge Center. As I have already started the aptitude topic on age, this is the third lecture on age concept. For those who have not gone through my previous videos, go through the previous two videos which are based on the basic concepts on the calendar. Today we are going to solve some problems on the calendar. Those are the major problems. So kindly go through. If you want to solve these kind of problems, if you want to understand the logic here, you need to have a basic fundamentals in you. So that basic fundamentals of the calendar has been explained in the first video. So go through that. And in second video, I explained how to solve the problems. So those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get the regular notifications whenever I upload the new videos. Okay, now let's move on for the problems here. The very first question is, today is Monday, so after 61 days it will be dash. So they have given 4 options here. If today it is a Monday, so after 61 days what would be the day? That's a very simple question. So what we need to do here is find the number of odd days. That's the only funda we need to apply here. So 61 days has to be divided by 7 and you get 8 weeks plus 5 odd day. 7 8 is 56 plus 5 is the remaining odd day. So we know that 0 to 6 how we name the days over there. These are the days we have to remember. Okay, so 5 odd days means directly you should not go for 5 as a Friday now, because the present day is Monday, that is 1. So for the number of odd days what you got, you add that 1, that is 6. So 6th day will be after 61 days it will be Saturday. Okay, so as it is a 6 means Saturday, so it will be Saturday. Just don't take it as 5 means Friday, so Friday is the option. Anyhow, option is not mentioned here. But the thing is, it's starting from Monday, so that is nothing but 1. So whatever the number of odd days you got there, you add it with what? With that 1, because it is a future 61 days. Okay, so you should add. If it is the previous days, then you should minus it, subtract it. That is the funda. So we got 6, and that is the 6 odd days. That is nothing but Saturday would be the answer for this question. Here it is. And as I already told, don't forget to subscribe to my channel there and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications and you won't miss any kind of videos on the aptitude topic. Now the second question is something like this. It was Sunday on Jan 1st, 2006. What was the day of the week Jan 1st, 2010? Okay, so after 4 years, that is again a future. After 4 years, what would be the day? That is the question. So you need to find the odd years in up to 4 days. So 2006, 2007, 2008, 9. Okay. So from up to 2009, if you find the odd days, it will be December 31st. Up to 2009, December 31st. Then immediately January 1st is the next day. Okay. So what I do in 2006 is the ordinary. So very important thing is how many leap years you get here, you need to identify. Definitely 2008 will be a leap year. I also explained you how to find the leap year. Last 2 digits has to be divided by 4. If it is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. So again, it is explained clearly in the first video. Go through the description where I have mentioned the link of the first and second video. So now we can say that there are 2006 is the ordinary, 7 is ordinary, 9 is ordinary, whereas 2008 is a leap year. So every ordinary year will have 1 odd day, and leap year will have 2 odd days. So if we add all this, we will get 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. That is 5 days, 5 odd days. Okay. So 2006 is having 1 odd day, 2007 is having 1 odd day, 2008 is having 2 odd days because it is a leap year, and 2009 is having 1 odd day. Totally we got 5 odd days. So as it is a 5 odd days and the present day is a Sunday, they have given that Jan 1st is Sunday. Okay. So we can say that it starts from Sunday, 0. So 0 plus 5, it is 5 only. So the 5th day is a Friday. So the answer for this question would be Friday. Right. So the day on Jan 1st, 2010 is Friday. See, here you may think that why we are not added 1 for 5. Because it is starting from Sunday. Sunday is 0. If here in the question, if they would have asked as a Monday or Tuesday, if Jan 1st is Tuesday, then that Tuesday is a 2. So 2 plus 5, that is how we could have done it. Okay. I hope it is clear. See, if the concepts are clear, don't forget to like the video. Let's look into the third one now. The last day of a century cannot be. Yes, this is something interesting here. the last day of a century cannot be Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday. So among these, any one day will not be a last day of a century. So century in the sense, it will be 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, 400 years. We consider only up to 400 years. Because after 400 years, we will repeat this cycle. If you want to find 800 years, then we take 400 plus 400, we get 800. If you want to use 700, 400 plus 300. So we can repeat this 100, 200, 300, 400 years. So we'll consider only these centuries now. Right. So look at this. For 100 years, we have 5 odd days. So we obtained it using leap year and ordinary odd days. Okay, that process has been explained clearly in the first video here. Go through it. So for first 100 years, we'll have 5 odd days. 5 means it's a Friday. So last day of the first century is Friday. That is how we can decide it. And for second 200 years, it will be 3 odd days. And the last day of 200th century will be 3 means it's Wednesday. For 300 years, it is 1 odd day. So 1 means it's Monday. So last day of 3rd century is Monday. Similarly, 400 years will have 0 odd day. So it is nothing but Sunday. So we have Friday, Wednesday, Monday, Sunday in a centuries. That is the last day of centuries. So Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday cannot be a last day of any century. So among these 3 options, Tuesday is mentioned. So answer for this question will be Tuesday. This is how it has to be solved. Okay. So just press the like button if it is clear for you. Okay. Now let's move for the 4th question. If 6th March 2005 is Monday, what was the day of the week on 6th March 2004? Okay, one thing you need to understand, they have given today it's 6th March 2005 as a Monday. Okay, so Monday is day 1. And they are asking about previous year. So whatever the answer you get, number of odd days you get, you have to minus it because it is previous year. Okay, so now let's find the odd day. So in previous year, how many odd days we have? In 2004, how many odd days we will have? 2004, first you need to identify whether it is a leap year or an ordinary year. So 2004 is a leap year because it is divisible by 4. So in leap year we get 2 odd days, but you need to be very careful about the questionnaire. This question says that they count from March 2004 to March 2005. So February 2004 is not included here. If it is a leap year, yes, it is a leap year, but February will have extra day in the leap year. February will have 29 days, but we are not counting the 29 days into this. So we can say that we will consider only 1 odd day because we are starting from March to March, right? So we have to consider it as an ordinary, that is 1 odd day only. We get only 1 odd day. If February was included, then it would be 2. So this is very important concept here. That's why you have to be very thorough about the question and concept, right? So if it is 1 odd day, yes, we have 1 odd day. So 1 means already the day in 6th March is 2005 is Monday. Monday is also indicating 1 and we got 1 odd day. So we have to go back. It's a reverse. It's a previous year. So 1 minus 1 you have to do, that is 0. 0 means Sunday. Sunday would be the answer for this question. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Monday, Tuesday, something if you got, you should consider that number, and whatever the number of odd days you got, for that you have to add it if it is a future, you have to subtract it if it is a past. That's the point. Now let's have a look over the 5th question, that is, on what dates of April 2001 did Wednesday fall? It's something interesting here. So in April 2001, on which day we get Wednesday? So 4 options will be there. Yeah. So complete month in which day we get. If you get first Wednesday, from there you will get plus 7 you can do and you will get the other Wednesdays. That's not an issue. So for 2001, so find number of days, odd days up to 2001. So how do we do that? We split it. Okay, we split it like 2000 years plus period from 2001. So after 2001, 2000 years means up to December 2000. Next comes 2001 January, February, March, April. That is 1/1/2001 to 1/4/2001. So you need to find the number of odd days for these years. So first 2000 years, how to find odd days? I will split it as 1600 years plus 400 years. 1600 is divisible by 400. So the year which is the century which is divisible by 400, that will have the same 0 days, same odd days. That is 0. 1600 will have a 0 odd day. 400 plus 400, so that is 2000. So 400 will also have a 0 odd day. See, this is why I told you that we are limiting it up to 400. Next years will be considered like this. If you want to find odd days of 2000 years, no need of subtracting the leap and ordinary years. By using that table, you can get the answer. So 400 years has split it into 16,000 plus 1600 plus 400. So 1600 plus 400 is 2000. So 1600 is divisible by 400. So it is as similar as 400 years only. So it is 0 odd days. Even 400 years will have 0 odd days. And after that, January, February, March, April. We should consider those days now. So January will have 31 days. February will have 28. March will have 31. April will have 1 day. April 1st. Okay. So we are considering up to April 1st. So if we add all those days, we will get 91 days. And if we divide 91 by 7, we get 13 weeks and 0 odd days. So 91 is divisible by 7. So we get 0 odd days. So totally we can say 0 plus 0 plus 0. Means 16 years is 0 odd day, 400 years is 0 odd day, and 91 days is 0 odd day. So if we consider all this, totally we have only 0 odd days. So it means 0 day. April 1st 2001 is 0 day. We have considered up to 1st April 2001. So April 1st 2001 is Sunday. 0 means Sunday. That is a Sunday. So if 1st April is Sunday, then what would be the, when would be the Wednesday? 2nd April will be Monday. 3rd April will be Tuesday. 4th April would be Wednesday. So they are asking you about Wednesday. So 4th April is Wednesday. So option B would be the answer now. 4th April means next plus 7, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 7, 25. So option B is an option for this question. So I hope these concepts are clear for you. If this video is clear, don't forget to share among your friends, and also put a comment in a comment box. You mention what kind of questions you need more. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to comment it. Thank you.